United States Supreme Court will now hear the case of U.S. v. Windsor, the case that is challenging the Defense of Marriage Act. Paul Clement will be arguing on behalf of House Republicans because no one else will do it, and because House Republicans like to seem to always be on the wrong side of stuff.
Mr. Clement?
Honorable Justices, we are not here out of hate. We are here to simply preserve the tradition of traditional marriage.
So you mean between a man and a woman?
Yes, well, one man who has a sheep and the underage daughter of another man who needs a sheep, like in the Bible.
Exactly. If you want to do gay stuff, do it with the sheep.
What about equal protection under the law?
Well, gays have equal protection. None of us can get gay married.
That's a good point. Makes a good point.
All right, Miss Kaplan, let's hear the other side, please.
Your Honors, all the arguments against gay marriage have been discredited. The only way that you can mount a defense for DoMA is to quote junk science or the Bible. The only thing holding gay marriage back is public opinion, and that has changed.
But pardon me, if we let men marry men, isn't the next step marrying animals?
I don't follow.
It's like this. Step 1, gay marriage. Step 2, Step 3, marrying animals.
Okay, the big difference between bestiality and gay marriage is that a dog cannot consent.
Can't or won't.
Your Honors, I think that the American people might find this a little funny that this very court granted corporations personhood, decreed that they are people and that they have rights, and yet certain actual people are not granted their rights.
Corporations are people, but some people aren't people. Dogs aren't people. Don't marry dogs, marry corporations. Boom.
Boom, we went to Harvard.
Yes, we did.
I'm sorry, so a man can marry a corporation?
A woman can marry a corporation because corporations are men, okay? Everybody knows that a woman can't do business.
Harvard. Yes.
Miss Kaplan, I have a question. How much protection would this give in this context?
Yes, and I also have a question. How do men or two dudes even do it? I mean, do they rub butts together, or like, how does that work?
I also have a question. How is it fair that when two men are cuddling, one always has to be the little spoon?
I mean, is it like this? Do they like, tag up, like, don't cross the streams, or they run really hard,
You know, it's always been bros before hoes. I mean, what is it now? Bros before bros?
Mr. Clement, I have a question. You say that marriage is for procreation only. Well, what if scientists invent a way for two gay men to have a baby?
Oh, that's easy. The House Republicans are opposed to science. Easy.
Everybody knows that this country was founded on Judeo-Christian beliefs, and the marriage is consecrated between Benjamin Franklin and a bunch of French Protestants.
Your Honors, I'm sorry, but you are cherry-picking parts of the Constitution and the Bible, but you are not living up to the spirit of either one.
Oh, push. The Constitution, the Bible, it's just about shooting guns and having sex with ladies. I mean, the rest of it's just boilerplate stuff, sort of like the iTunes user agreement.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have heard a lot of compelling arguments today on how gay marriage should be in favor. But let's face it, it's still gross when two...
Oh, that's how they do it! Yeah!